You will need surfactant, gloves, safety glasses, 2 beakers, 2 sample bottles with lids, a variable volume pipette, pipette tips, a 3 milliliter disposable syringe, a disposable beaker, distilled water, a hot plate, an oil sample, and a permanent marker. Fill a large beaker with water and place it on a hot plate. Turn the hot plate on to create a hot water bath. Pour a small amount of surfactant into the disposable beaker. Use the disposable syringe to draw up 3 milliliters of surfactant. Transfer the surfactant into one of the sample bottles. Fill to the 100 milliliter mark with distilled water. Cap and shake the bottle to mix. Label the sample bottle blank. Place the blank bottle into the hot water bath. Leave the blank in the hot water bath until the solution reaches cloud point and becomes opaque and cloudy. Use the disposable syringe to draw up 3 milliliters of surfactant. Transfer the surfactant into the other sample bottle. Attach a pipette tip to the pipette. Adjust the pipette so the correct volume needed for the concentration solution being prepared is shown. To press the plunger on the pipette, place the tip into the oil and then slowly release the plunger to draw up the oil. Remove any excess oil from the outside of the pipette tip. Place the pipette tip directly into the surfactant. Depress the plunger to dispense the oil. All of the oil may not come out of the pipette tip, and that is okay. If the oil sample is too thick to pipette, it will need to be weighed. Place the oil sample into a hot water bath so it will become more fluid. Remove the oil sample from the hot water bath and check to see if it is fluid enough to work with. Place the sample bottle containing 3 milliliters of surfactant on an analytical scale. Zero the scale. Using a pipette or some other method, in this case a disposable swab, transfer the correct weight of oil into the sample bottle. Swirl the bottle to mix the oil into the surfactant. Fill to the 100 milliliter mark with distilled water. Cap and shake the bottle to mix. Label the sample bottle with the concentration, oil name, no solvent method standard, date, and your initials. Once the blank has reached cloud point, remove it from the hot water bath. Place the standard into the hot water bath. Leave the standard in the hot water bath until the solution reaches cloud point and becomes opaque and cloudy. Once the standard has reached cloud point, remove it from the hot water bath. Turn off the hot plate. Allow both solutions to cool and become clear before using them. Congratulations! You have now made no-solvent method calibration solutions that can be used to calibrate the TD550, TD560.